inside fastball.
And Moya had a single and scored a run back in the second. Iwakuma brings it home, and it's drilled deep in the air to right field, to the track, to the wall, and that ball is gone. A home run. Right on cue, Steven Moya, a solo shot of the fourth.
Iwakuma's smiling. He can't believe it went out because he actually jammed him a bit, but he opened that front side up just enough to get it out of this ballpark.